Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a look at our weather week ahead, and we do have some changes on the horizon, some rather big changes, but over the next several days, it looks like the warm temperatures will be sticking around. Here's a look at where we stand this afternoon. Kind of a mixture of sunshine and clouds. More clouds over much of the area, a little bit more sunshine over the southern sections of the Arklatex. And what we're going to be watching here over the course of the next several days is some colder air, which is going to be rushing its way towards the Arklatex. Probably will not begin to move into the region until Friday. And as it does so, that's more than likely when we will see our next best chance for some rain across the region. As we look at the overall pattern here, you can see that we are under the influence of a large area of upper level high pressure that is gradually going to keep us warm here over the next couple of days. Here's that upper level trough now moving into the Pacific Northwest, and it's going to sweep its way across the northern half of the country. And as it does so, again, will bring more January-like temperatures than November-like temperatures. So let's take you through the next few days, and don't expect a whole lot of change in our temperatures for the next few days. As we check in with Robbins Toyota Futurecast, we are going to be looking at an increase in the clouds once again during the nighttime hours tonight. I kind of doubt that we'll see much as far as rain tonight. A little bit of patchy fog can't be ruled out as well. Tomorrow I expect morning clouds to give way to some afternoon sunshine, as we will likely stay dry for election day. As we go through tomorrow night, we will see the clouds decrease as we become partly cloudy. Maybe a few low clouds redeveloping late tomorrow night. And then Wednesday, we'll see that cloud-sun mix once again, with highs both tomorrow and Wednesday in the 70s. As far as election day, looking pretty nice actually by November standards, as temperatures will begin in the 60s. We will likely see highs tomorrow in the 80s. And if you're voting late in the day, temperatures more than likely will be in the 70s. So let's take a longer range here and see how everything will take place. Here's that upper level trough. You can see the ridge, which is going to keep us dry and warm. Here comes the trough, a little bit of snow here, pretty good winter storm across the northern plains. We will see a tropical system move into Florida in the cold, but it's not going to impact our weather. And then here's that trough and the northwesterly flow, which is going to bring in the clear air. And there is a possibility that we could see a little bit of rain impact the Arklatex towards the last half of next week, but models are still kind of split on the exact timing of those disturbances. So that being said, your forecast in more detail for tonight is looking mostly cloudy, as the clouds will probably increase once again. Temperatures will be mild for this time of year. Typically we're in the upper 40s. We'll see lows tonight in the low to middle 60s. 66 in Shreveport, 63 in Texarkana, 64 degrees in Marshall. Tomorrow, a warm election day with morning clouds giving way to some sunshine in the afternoon. Highs will be in the low to middle area 80s, pretty much area-wide. 80 in Texarkana, 87 tomorrow in Natchitoches, 84 in Shreveport, as well as in Minden, 83 degrees for the high temperature tomorrow in Marshall. 10-day forecast will show you the rather large changes which are on the way here heading into the weekend, as we will see the warm temperatures stick around through Wednesday. Start a little bit of a cool down Thursday, but still rather warm. Slight chance for some rain as that front comes in Friday. Highs Friday in the 60s, but notice what happens after that. Highs this weekend in the mid-50s. Lows will dip into the 30s. We will see our next best chance of rain probably towards the middle part of next week, with highs in the mid-50s and lows mainly in the mid to upper 30s. So a little taste of wintertime temperatures on the way as we go through the next week to 10 days, with the colder air beginning to arrive as we look ahead to the weekend.